Next, I would like to introduce our all-new Jaecoo J8. Our full-size SUV offering with our new interpretation of new premium design language for Jaecoo brand going forward. The design concept of our new Jaecoo J8 is derived from the vision of integration of aesthetics and technology, an art and science approach by symbolizing the height of this Jaeger premiumness together with this calm, cool visual environment. As a matter of fact, that is where we get the name Jaecoo. I think that's what Roy was saying, combining the words Jaeger and cool, which gives us the word Jaecoo. So here we took the best and extracted into the core proportion and space which runs through the headlights, body and waistline, and taillights to form a closed loop, making the entire vehicle visually connected. The J8 has a super clean, minimal structure, three-dimensional form. We gave it robust but gentle surfaces, creating a soft and light aesthetic that translates into a gentle feel that is comfortable and visually relaxed, but dynamically modern and luxuriously super powerful. The visual language signifies and adds to our core DNA, even more with this warm hope and vitality going forward for our future Jaecoo lineup. To start off, the entire front face design has a massive, powerful presence. It is robust, dynamic, and voluptuously dimensional by all its elements. First, the vertical upright grille that is inspired by grand waterfalls on the Australian outback, and it adapts a vertical fluid design to demonstrate a sense of power and toughness. It is full of momentum and has grand presence. The grille surface is processed with precise facets highlighting the sharp posture, and the lines of the hood are full of surface tension and tautness. The entire body proportions are fully balanced, and it not only conforms to the stability of a large-size SUV, but also echoes the smooth body curves, giving it a full sense of luxury. Second, the inspiration for the headlights comes from the unique belt hook design of this, again, Jaeger culture, something that is clean and highly ornate. It has a unique shape and a dazzling aura. The double projection geometric lighting modules inside is handsome and bright, making the front face sparkle. The layered design of the LED light group is not only sharp and profound, but the high-performance lighting also provides the driver with a wide and clear driving field of vision in both daytime and nighttime driving scenarios. Now lastly, the third, the front lower corners layout decorations have a sense of strong grounding effects to emphasize a bold jewel-like bookends to balance off the powerful front end fluid. Going to the interior now, the interior design theme is composed of a curved wrap-around design that is inspired by the Earth's enveloping horizon line. The contrast between the warm and emotional life of nature's life and the rational, intelligent technology creates a sharp contrast. It embodies the new era of digital luxury and enhances the technological atmosphere of the whole interior. The interior decoration, made of various textures and materials like premium Napa leather and Alcantara, adapts a layered design forming a variety of concave and convex sculptural surfaces which exudes energy, presenting itself as a visually rich, unified, sensual experience. The dashboard with its curved wood trim makes the lines smoother and the display more elegant, highlighting the impact of the visual width of the interior. It is both accommodating for business and also for family use, and can become a mobile living room, being that nature is like home and home is like nature. The interior of our J8 is also full of comfort and safety features that enhances the total design experience. For example, the premium seats have an adjustable massagers and leg rest for passenger full comfort. Also included is the safety of a fully surround 540-degree camera so there are no hidden blind spots while driving. And we have a dual 12.3-inch instrument screen that integrates the instrument panel and central controls in line with international high-end technical digital trends. In addition, there is a secondary HUD with specific and concise information that is readily available all in real time. So the entire J8 vehicle design is all about balance, powerful proportions. We have completed the rear end with a faster roofline to give it a sportier expression, together with the horizontal LED tail lights that are like opening a digital scroll, depicting the picturesque landscape in an elegant and lively manner. The horizontal bar-type tail lamp design, extending end-to-end, gives maximum width and visibility and unique character. All this with sporty elegance and super maximum interior space. Not to leave out, we've also added technical performance to match the premium design. We have what's called the CDC active suspension for our J8. Especially on this full-size SUV, the CDC experience is like riding on air. It is a highly sophisticated and advanced suspension system that defies the luxury ride experience in this larger vehicle segment. A true premium feature. And also the dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive system that will carry our J8 drivers and passengers to extreme terrain in many different climate conditions with a sense of security on any road conditions. And to finish off, again, the simple yet core focused offerings of our J8 lineup exterior colors. This is, again, matching the external natural environments and to coordinate with the natural tones to tell the story of the full driving scenarios of our J8 customers. So, I hope this gave you a brief summary of what's to come from our J7, again, super hybrid SHS, and our new edition of J8 SUVs.